Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Budget with a July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you my free trade portfolio update for the month of May. It has been a whole 6 weeks to 8 weeks since I last did a portfolio update of my free trade account, and I figured, why not, let's do that now. But then as I was preparing for this video, I was like, okay, let me go and have a quick look at what was, like the price or the value of the stocks that I had in there, and it was about £650 that I had then, and I can tell you, looking at it now, there's barely any change since the last update, and it's been a whole 6-8 weeks since the last update. So I was just like, and I've added money into it, but as we all know, right now the stock market is on the trajectory down for the majority of the stocks. But again, I'm not too worried because I'm a long-term investor, and this is just something that happens. The stock market goes down, it goes up. It's the game, it's how it's played. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into my portfolio update. I have my mobile here, so I'll start the screen record to give you a walkthrough of my portfolio. So as you can see right now on the screen, my portfolio value is £657.33, a difference of £7.33 since my last update. My portfolio since I began investing is down by £59.70. Not great, but not the end of the world. If we look at we zoom out trajectory, it's actually not that bad. And this is why I love Shirley. She always says zoom out and look at the bigger picture, and that's exactly what I'm seeing here. It's not that bad. On seeing daily basis, not anything really. Weekly basis, not much. And monthly basis, okay, up and down, but again, not bad at all. So if I look at my investments, I have UK commercial property. I have 121 shares with this one, and it's up by 9.23%, which is good to see. Legal and general is my next one. I have 41 shares with that one, and it's down by 5.43%. My UK dividend iShares, I have 13 shares, and it's up by 3.56%. Greencoat UK, I've got 63 shares, and I'm up with this one as well by 3.74%. This is again good to see. Royal Mail, I have 30 shares. This one is down by 23.46%. Anyway, we move on. Real estate, this is down by 4.37%. Jupiter, and I have 18 shares. Jupiter, I have 22 shares, and it's down by 17.99%. Deliveroo, I've got 25 shares, and it's down by 38.67%. Sorrento, I have 1 share, and this was a free share that I had gotten when I signed up to Freetrade using Pandaboss Anna's link, and I'm actually not surprised by this. I can't remember the last time this was in green, but as soon as it is in a good position, I'm gonna sell it. For now, I'll just keep it there, but it's down by a whopping 81.83%. Like, wow. Okay, so that is what my portfolio is looking like. It's more reds than greens, but again, this is the nature of the stock market. Then if we go into insights, my portfolio performance is down by 6.110%. The breakdown, this portfolio that I have with Freetrade, this one is all dividend paying account stocks. So I'm trying to call it my dividend portfolio, but I'm still working on cleaning it up. So for now, it's doing what it needs to do. It's serving what it needs to save. So I have 99.73% in stocks, essentially 100%, because 0.3% in cash is zilch, but I'll show you that in a second. So it's 100% stocks based portfolio. And then you've got the discovery, where I try and do some research, and I recently looked at Jupiter, which is what I invested in. Real estate, I already have Royal Mail, Legal and General, all of these I already had, but I was looking at them a couple of days ago. Then activity, so here you kind of get an idea, well, not an idea, but shows you exactly what you have been doing with your portfolio. So for the month of May, I actually got a Jupiter dividend payout of £1.84. I did invest a little bit more a few days prior to that into Jupiter. I put in £3.50. I bought some more shares, so that was 2 shares that I bought. Then Royal Mail, I bought 2 shares for £6.89. Legal and General, I bought 4 shares for £10.30. I had added in £20 in total from my normal income, and then obviously the April statement had come out as well. In April, if we go that far, so I got a dividend from real estate of 43 pence. I invested into Deliveroo and Jupiter with my top up of £26.01. Then I also sold, since my last update, I sold the Honest Company that I'd invested in prior for £3.47. It was only 1 share that I had, so it wasn't bad. And I also decided to sell the Rent the Runway. I had bought it, rookie mistake, immediately after it IPO'd. The price was super duper high, and then as soon as the glitz and glamour come down, it tanked. This is something I know already, but I was just up, even if I've been doing this for hours, still make mistakes. And yeah, so once it was up, I decided to sell it, and I got £11.32, which was a loss of about £4. Again, it's still small amounts at the moment, so it's fine. But yeah, so this is what had happened since my last update, and I don't believe I included the dividend that I'd earned from in March of 58 pence from UK dividend, and I topped up a lot of these prior to filming that video. So this is the activity for the last 6 to 8 weeks in the year, and in my account right now there's £2.13. So the majority of this is money that is coming on from the dividend, and so I'll probably add in a little bit more in the month of June and then invest. So I try not to have just cash sitting around in there, but for this one I don't believe I can buy anything at the moment, so this is why I'm just leaving it there until I can add a little bit extra to buy something, a stock, a share of one of the stocks that I already hold. But yeah, so my free trade portfolio is down, and it is worth £657.33. At the moment, I've got no intentions of selling this. Again, I'm playing around with dividends to see if this is something that I can rely on in the future. Obviously, I have to invest a lot more than this, but I'm playing around, and I've got a tracker where I'm tracking exactly how much I'm making from my dividends every single month. And I think the highest month so far was April, and I had earned about just under £30. So again, something that I am working on. But yeah, so that is all that I wanted to share with my free trade portfolio. Let me know if you have a free trade account, and if you track, how is your account doing? Is it in red? Is it in green? Are you planning to keep it? I'm a long-term investor, so unless I have to, I don't really sell stocks. I just wanted to get rid of the Rent the Runway and the other portfolio, which I can't remember the name of, just Galba's company. So I wanted to get rid of those, and I focus on the other stocks and shares that I have in my portfolio. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.